Namaste. We are here on the final day of TiECon 2024. This is Lakshmi Iyer with Sitare TV. We have here with us one of our TiE 50 winners, Priyanka Bairati, and she is part of the STPI initiative by the Government of India. Priyanka, congratulations. Tell us something more about your company and how the Government of India has helped you in your journey.
First of all, very thank you that we got an opportunity for a winning of TIE 50. And it's a great initiative by the Government of India that they have given an opportunity to come here, showcase our company, what we are doing, and of course winning the title of TIE 50. And we are into a tag-based audit and risk management program where we have developed technological products which scan through all the business transactions. So a company can save the cost while looking at the processes which manually they cannot look at it. And it's also help in improvising their processes where they see a gap where they can save the cost, or maybe they can stop the revenue leakages. So we save companies in terms of a monetary benefit itself, and what we always give as a tagline that at least expect more than $1 million saving when we deploy our products, and that's where we are gaining attraction from larger companies.
So you're catering to both the small businesses as well as the large conglomerates in India?
Right. So currently our client mostly are large startup because the direct cost benefit which they are looking, they are able to pay what services we are providing, what product we are deploying. But we are also catering small businesses in terms of giving them the overall visuality on their financials.
Where are you based, Priyanka?
So I'm from Gurgaon, Delhi, which is a capital of India. And that's where we have a benefit to meet with the government and to meet with the larger set of companies. And we also have a setup in the Dubai, and we are also catering international companies there.
That's wonderful. What's the name of your startup?
My startup name is Rivocont AI, and we are AI-based technology product.
So tell us something more about the STPI. How did your company get roped into it, or were you mentored right from the start through it? Tell us something more.
Yeah, so we are a part of STPI's Leap Ahead cohort. The Leap Ahead cohort, the STPI is catering to 75 startup, and we were lucky to be a part of it among the 75 startup which they have selected among around like many applications in India. And STPI from the starting, they have a complete 3 months program where they have mentored us, both in a physical meetup, face-to-face with the mentors, and both with a online mentorship. Starting from how we should have a go-to-market strategy, how we should be ready in the international market, how we can get a benefit on the whatever the government programs are running in India, and how we can tap the international market by having a right VC connects and right companies connect. So that's how they are backing up in each and every stage of our company.
You are looking to leap ahead in your startup.
Right. Definitely. I mean, our next step to tap the American market, and we started getting a lead here since we are here since last 2 days. We met with a lot of companies and lot of VCs, and definitely I'm getting a lot of connect here.
Wow, that's amazing, Priyanka, and we wish you all the very best.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Lakshmi. Thanks a lot.